In this video I will show you how to resize the pictures so you can use them on your website using either Photoshop if you have it, and if not, MS Paint. First of all, I have a couple of pictures I want to use from my website. I can see that if you hold the mouse over, it has a dimension of 2200 pixels, which is very big, and the size is close to a megabyte. Normally the dimension should be 800 times 600. If you don't resize these pictures before you upload them to your website, they will be very slow for the user to open if they have a bad connection. This one, for example, is already done. It's already 800 times 600 and the size is 210 kilobytes. Alright, I will show you how you do it. First of all, the picture you want to edit, right click and open with, and first I will try it with Adobe Photoshop. You go to the crop tool and you write in the size you want to do, 800 times 600, and you can see that it marks up the size of the picture, so basically the format is correct. So I double click, go to image size, write 800, and automatically it says the height is 600. It looks very small, but it's only showing it in 50% of the size. However, you go save for web, and it's now down on 122 kilobytes. So I can overwrite the old pictures and replace it and close. Now you can see the pictures is just need to refresh. (800 times 600) and is 122 kilobyte. Let me just do another example. Here's another one. Also quite big. I will repeat the same process using Photoshop. And here you can see that the format of the pictures is different because it's now marking up the 800 times 600, and it's good to have a standard size on the website. So what I will do here is basically just to drag it so I get the image like I want it, and then I crop it. It has the right dimension, but the size still need to be adjusted, so I go down to 800 times 600. And I save for web and save and overwrite the old picture. Now I go back, I do a refresh, and you can see now that the picture is also 800 times 600. So what do you do if you don't have Photoshop installed? Well, let's do another example using MS Paint. This is a very big picture. I can right click, I can use Paint. This is if you have Windows 8 or Windows 7. If you have Windows XP, the Paint does not have this functionality. I open the pictures and it's very large. I can do a resize. I do pixel, and I can do 800 times 600. And OK. I can also further crop the picture, but in MS Paint I advise you just to do the resize bit. And then you save as, and you overwrite the old one. And that's it. We do a refresh. And now you can see it's 800 times 600 and it's 183. In this way, these pictures are now ready to be used on the website and you can upload them.